Hi, I'm Michael, and this is my 15112 term project, which is Sudoku. So on the main menu here, you can select difficulty level, you can load a board manually. So I'm just gonna select an expert board and show off some of the cool features of my app. So the first cool feature I have is my UI system. So having played a lot of Sudoku, there's a ton of things I think would be helpful. By pressing Q, you can change the highlighted cells. If I press Q, it highlights all the cells sharing that same value. If I press Q again, it will highlight all the cells containing and also the empty cells containing 6 and its legals. And that's really helpful because you can spot things like right here is a hidden single, so I can just go ahead and fill that in, and all of a sudden hidden single here, hidden single there, and it makes this board a lot easier, and already I filled in all the 6s. So that's a really cool feature that personally when I'm playing Sudoku, I wish that like New York Times Sudoku website had this feature because it makes things a lot easier. My next cool feature is my hint system. It highlights a cell and it highlights in red the legals that are going to be banned. So in this case, I found a hidden single. So if I play that, automatically plays an 8. But the way my hint system works is it has 6 levels. The first level are naked singles. The next level is naked pairs, quads, quints, and tuples. The next level above that are hidden singles, which was, if I undo here, this is a hidden single. And then I have hidden pairs, tuples, quads, and quints. I have a hard-coded in what a hidden tuple looks like. So 2, 5, 6 is a hidden tuple because 2, 5, and 6 can only occur in these 3 cells. So these values are removed. This is what a hidden quad looks like. This is a really nice, cool, symmetrical looking one. In this case, 1, 4, 6, 9 is hidden quad, so we know that these other values can be removed. So the 5th level of hint is a pointing pair, and this is what a pointing pair looks like. Because 9 has to be in one of these 2 cells in this block, it means that 9 cannot be in any of these cells, because 9 is either going to be here or it's going to be here, which automatically rules out any of these 9s. And then my 5th level of hint is the XY wing. So 1, 8, 4, 8, and 1, 4. Because 8 and 4 are shared by this cell, that means that either this cell or this cell have to be 1. And so that's a really cool XY wing, but there are more fancier examples of that. So my hint system can complete all easy, medium, hard boards, and most of the expert boards, except for the last 3 or 4. And then for evil boards, it gets a bit more complicated where you need to actually use conjugate pairs and more difficult techniques, which my hint system can currently not do. The last cool feature of my app is my backtracker. So I tried a ton of different things for my backtracker. The first thing I tried to do was find those hidden singles and then automatically play them, but I ended up not using that because this is a triple for loop. Another thing I tried doing was when I get my fewest legal cells, I randomly shuffle the order that they're in. And I did that because I wanted to try and make it non-deterministic, but that didn't really have an effect whatsoever on the efficiency of the app, so I just decided it was better not to do it. My biggest time save is I don't keep a full board of legals. What I do instead is I just calculate the legals when I need to calculate them. And that really helped save time when I'm running through each iteration, so I'm not keeping this big, hefty legals board. So those are the main features of my Sudoku term project and the cool ones that I found interesting.